When I want a tasty break, I always know what to do. Waffle! We gently heat the butter over low heat. We break an egg into a glass bowl and add the sugar. With a whisk, we make it frothy. Then add the flour, a little at a time. As soon as we see that the mixture starts to harden, add the butter. Still flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Finally, we combine the milk to make the mixture soft and creamy. For tasty waffle, this is the right consistency. It's time to warm up our waffle plate. I bought it online. With a small ladle, we proceed to put the dough in the first mold. We spread it well so that everything can be covered. We repeat the operation also for the second mold. We close and let it cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. We can control the cooking and, if we want, increase the time. We remove the waffles from the plate and we are ready to fill them with Nutella. If we want to enrich the filling, we can add a few slices of banana or strawberries. At this point, the final touch, a little powdered sugar. We do fall from the top and go to serve our waffle with Nutella. Here are our Nutella waffles ready. Do not you want to prepare them?